So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious flavor-packed spaghetti. This is rich, delicious, and full of goodness. So one of the things that will make your spaghetti very delicious is by making your flavored oil. So I heated up some oil. I add in there some chopped garlic, ginger, and onion. Add in some spring onion as well. I also add in some bay leaf. Into there too, I add in some sesame seed, and also as well I add in some scotch bonnet pepper just to give it a heat, and introducing spices like I use some thyme and coriander. Just mix that together, just allow this to just cook for a minute or two. So the next thing I introduced was my paprika. So just mix that well together, and then I added in some seasoning cube. I make use of the chicken seasoning cube. Just stir that together. You just want to cook this on low heat for 2 minutes, and once that is ready, then allow it to cool down first before you pour it out or you drain out. So there you have it, your flavor packed oil is ready. You can store this in a jar and can use it in your other subsequent dishes. Into my pan, I have some fresh tomato cut in half. I also have some red bell peppers with the seed removed and onions that I have sliced. I also have some scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic and ginger. I just added in some spices, fresh oregano, some sage, some coriander, some thyme, and curry. And then I drizzle up with that our flavored delicious oil, and I'm just going to roast this to give this that smoky effect. So just mix everything together until your pepper mix is well coated with all that deliciousness. If you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Teresa Metuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new videos. So I really love to hear your thoughts about this recipe, so do drop a comment below. Thank you. So once everything is well mixed, I'm just going to pop that into my oven and just roast it for 5 to 10 minutes. So our pepper mix is ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to add it into my blender. So in order for this to blend smoothly, so I'm just going to add in some of our flavored oil and blend this until it is smooth and set this aside. So the next thing I want to prep for is some protein. So I have here some cooked beef that I've already cut into strip. So I'm just drizzling in some of our flavored delicious oil. So just mix that together, and then you just want to pop this into your air fryer to roast. You can also use your oven, or you can just simply fry this, whichever one you prefer, it is fine. So the next thing I'm just going to get ready is some veggies, just to make our spaghetti very colorful and make it more healthier. So I have some carrots just cut into strips. I also have some bell peppers, the green and the yellow. So once everything is ready, just set aside. So the next thing I'm doing is just to boil some water. So once that is boiled, I added in some salt and mix that everything together. And then I'm just going to introduce our spaghetti into the hot water. So allow the end of the spaghetti to be in the water for like some seconds. Then you can easily bend your spaghetti and cook it until it is tender. So we are cooking this until al dente. So meaning that it still has a little bite to it. It's not too soft. It's not mushy. It's not soggy. It's just the right consistency. So once that is ready, just drain out and set aside. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to heat up some very little oil. I just saute some onions, garlic, and ginger. I add in some tomato paste, just mix together. I just want to cook this until the acidic taste of the tomato is out. So the reason why I just add a little oil is just because I already blended my pepper mix with some little oil, and so I don't want this to be oily. So if the oil is not enough, I'm going to add oil, but at this point I just want to be cautious with the amount of oil that I add to this. So now you introduce your pepper mix, your roasted pepper mix, to mix up everything together. So once that is done, you just want to add a little of your pasta water or spaghetti water, just a little bit, and then just mix that together. From stew to sauce to coconut cake, everybody. So I also added in some meat stock. So I made use of beef stock. So just mix up together as well.
Cook again and again.
So the next thing I'm going to do is just to season it up. I season with some seasoning cubes, so curry, some thyme, some sage, and some coriander. I noticed the sauce needed a bit more oil, so I added some of our flavored oil. This will help everything mix well when we add the spaghetti. If the sauce oil is very little, it won't coat the pasta properly and the flavors won't blend well, so that's why I added little more oil, and I just cooked that for 2 minutes on low heat until everything is well cooked. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to introduce our spaghetti. So mix everything together until all the spaghetti is well coated into that delicious flavorful sauce.
When Teresa in the kitchen, na good vibes, sweet smell, and correct taste. Oh yeah now, let's go. Oh you the hot, onions they fry, tomato they bubble, pepper they high, she they chop and mix with style.
So now I'm going to introduce our veggies and also our beef. So mix that together until everything is well combined.
Teresa's flavor they always climb. Teresa they cook, come chop oh. Now love she they put inside the pot oh. From stew to sauce to coconut cake, every bite they make my body shake. Teresa they cook, it no be joke. Even Jollof they dance when she poke. From Lagos kitchen.
So once that is done, so garnish with some spring onions and mix together, and there you have it. Your delicious, very tasty spaghetti is ready. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now.